Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Tube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can post a song on Soundcloud. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything and just follow me. And if you have any queries or anything like that, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your SoundCloud on your web browser or even on your mobile phones as well with the SoundCloud app. And what you're going to do is just log in with your account, and then over here you'll be having option to upload. Just go with it, and then over here what you need to do is you need to choose a file to upload. So make sure you choose a public or a private one. So let me just choose a file to upload. Let me just go somewhere and then just try to do simply anything. Or just let me go with this one. Okay, there's no sound, I guess. Oh my god. Okay, let me just go with anything like this, and then just do everything. Use the titles, genre, and anything, and description of the track, and then just save it, and it will start posting like this. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.